From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is your weekend weather.
Hey folks, happy Saturday today. I'll be honest with you, looking fantastic. I think we have a pretty nice weekend as a whole in store for us. This warming trend is really going to take hold through today, through tomorrow, and even through Monday as well. But usually when you see these warming trends, that means you have warm, moist air coming out of the Gulf of Mexico. So we might be dealing with some strong and severe thunderstorms as we head towards the end of this system on Tuesday. But first, let's get through this weekend. And frankly, for today, if you're doing your egg hunts early, we got great weather. I mean, that really is the long and short of it, right? We have mostly clear conditions, a few patchy clouds by middle and late afternoon, right? Really not that big of a deal. Temperatures really climbing up fast. We're going to probably end up there in the mid to upper 70s today. That really is kind of the best way to put it. We're going to do fantastic out there. Notice the winds, though, really kind of breezy. We're going to have that southwest wind at about 15 to 20 miles an hour, gusts to 25 as well. So, we might be having our hair go all over the place, maybe losing a few pieces of confetti in the baskets, but otherwise, really don't see any huge issues out there. Widespread clear skies through the first half of the day. Again, there's that sign of moisture, right? We have those upper level clouds through today. I think we actually pick up clouds more and more as we head into tomorrow and Monday. But as we head through tonight, for example, yeah, we're really not cooling down that much, probably mid 50s when all is said and done with it. By tomorrow, though, you can see that cloud cover becoming a little more widespread, but I still think we're going to be dry through tomorrow and through Monday as well. I think the storm system that we're watching is going to be this one. Late Monday, start seeing the first signs of it, and then pushing into Tuesday, well, you see this thunderstorm activity here near the Tennessee Valley. That's what we're keeping a very close eye on for the possibility of some severe weather. Of course, it's April here as we head over the next several days, and that is our peak season historically and climatologically. So we'll have to keep an eye on this through the afternoon, specifically Tuesday afternoon and into Tuesday evening. The magnitude of the risk, which is to say how intense these storms will be, if this is going to be a higher end, lower end, mid end, we're a little bit uncertain that. I'm not seeing signs that this will be some high end, huge threat, but it's a decent little threat there, damaging winds and hail. And I think the hail threat's actually a little higher than usual with this, are easily possible, if not likely, with some of these thunderstorms. And we can rule out necessarily a tornado threat, but it's a little bit dependent on how this system evolves across the area. It really comes down to a lot of complicated scientific factors like the geometry of the system and things like that. So don't rule out the possibility of tornadoes, but I think more so than anything, we're looking at the risk of damaging winds and hail. And again, I think the hail threat is a little bit higher than usual with the storms that will manifest here midday Tuesday and into late Tuesday. And again, questionable, but definitely not zero tornado threat as we head through the same time frame. So keep a very close eye on that, as we will. And if anything changes, we'll be with you immediately and let you know. All right. Big picture, let's take a look as we head into the first week of April here for temperatures. And actually, check this out here. This goes out to April 8th. If you remember, that's the eclipse, and it looks like we're dealing with temperatures just about average here in the Tennessee Valley. In fact, the average stretch of temperatures actually kind of follows the eclipse, funny enough, in that trend there. But off to our west, a little bit above average. Off to our east, a little bit below average. Yeah, pretty much right where we should be as we recover from the system coming up on Tuesday. Here's your hour-by-hour forecast over the next several hours through today. Notice those peaking kind of mid to upper 70s, right? And some of us, you might see 80 in northern Alabama, but I really don't think that's going to be the case in southern middle Tennessee. I think if anyone sees 80 here widespread, that's going to be Monday. Check this out here over the next several days. Still climbing in terms of those temperatures as we head through tomorrow, as we head through Monday. Then it all comes crashing down as we get this system that we're keeping a close eye on with possible severe weather on Tuesday. That front moves through, cools us off temporarily, but we really do recover kind of quickly. Thursday and into Friday, we're getting back into the mid to upper 60s. Now, Wednesday, yeah, we might be in the upper 50s, near 60 there, but like I said, it's spring, it's going into April. We're not going to be holding this cooler weather around, not for long, but we need to keep an eye on Tuesday, which is our next weather maker there. But in the meantime, go out and enjoy your Easter weekend. Thanks for joining me here for this forecast update to 7. Of course, I'll be back with you at 12 for more, fresh from the Tennessee Valley Weather Center, and I'll speak to you soon.